close your eyes.
Welcome everyone from Rdwangaming 376. So today's video is about the DeepCool CF120 PLUS ARGB fans. Hope you all will like this video. If you like, then subscribe the channel and share your opinion through comments. Your opinion is very important to grow our channel. So, we open the box first. After opening the box, see another small white box inside. Then a manual from the DeepCool. Some instructions are given on how to install and use the fan. If you don't know anything about how to install this in your PC, then read it very carefully. Then we see 4 screws in their packets. Inside that are for the fan. The quality is very good and excellent. And at the bottom of the box, can see 3 fans. We close the box well and keep it aside. I like to keep clean. Okay, let's move on. Now it's time to take the fans out of the package. The fans are very heavy and strong. And we keep the unnecessary things aside. Now it's time to open that little box and see what's inside. First, we are getting a fan hub. Inside this hub, 4 fans can be connected simultaneously. This is the fan's RGB controller. If your motherboard doesn't have an ARGB controller, you can manually control the fan's lighting through it. And power it, you might need SATA power. This is an ARGB controller, where you can connect up to 6 fans simultaneously. This is an ARGB converter for motherboard. Like ASRock, ASUS, MSI, and Gigabyte. You can use 6 fans at a time. If your motherboard have 1 ARGB port, Now let's go to the fans and see how the quality is. The fans look very nice and sturdy to me. The fan bearing is very good, making no noise, and has 9 blades. The 4 corners of the fan have rubber pads on the front and back so that your fan won't make any noise at full speed. Here to light are used one inside the fan, one around the fan, and there are 2 connections from the fan, one for pin PWM and another 3-pin ARGB. The build quality of the fan is very good and the bearing is very smooth. I am showing connections correctly, so see well which one to connect with whom. I hope this video helped you out. If it does, like the video and subscribe our channel. You can comment us to advise anything about our videos. Now we are in MSI Center on MSI Mystic Light and see the light effect.